Eco-design. Eco-design is the product design process in relation to the changes that happen to the different environments that affect the business world, the social one, the legal, governmental, technological and the actual environment. Eco-design refers to the new method of product design that combines all the necessary resources in the multifaceted field of product design, manufacturing and supply chain management. This new concept assists to predict the impacts that the design and manufacturing processes will leave on the environment. The different names that make the eco-design recognizable are green design, sustainable design, environmental conscious design, life cycle design, life cycle engineering design, and even clean design. Eco-design is increasingly viewed as a key to sustainable and improved product development in order for the textile manufacturing industry to reduce the impact it has on environment, and adopt eco-efficient approaches. Developing the methodological approach, researchers analyzed the criteria that companies set in their development departments to achieve a more sustainable design. In this way, they could identify the eco-design tools and techniques used by the industries. The investigation into the product development brings the research to questions on how to understand the state-of-the-art of eco-design. The methods supplied in eco-design must answer the following questions that can concern the industry aspect, the environmental impact, or both of them. Does the tool support the meeting of product requirements? Can the tool be used by company staff, or will external expertise be required? Does it reduce the risk of important elements being forgotten? Does it fit in well with how products are launched by the company? Is the tool user-friendly, easy to adopt and implement? Does it save time in the overall development process? Is it affordable by the company? Does the tool address environmental product legislation requirements? Is it acceptable in terms or environmental responsibility? The fashion industry is divided in two types, given by the interaction between the industry itself and the change in the consumer needs, the fast fashion and the slow fashion. Fast fashion is based on mass large-scale production with a globalized environment and market, takes care of the image and focus on making new things, is dependent on market trends, is unaware of the impact it has, and the costs are based on labor and materials. Slow fashion represents diversity, covers both global and local markets with small to medium-scale production. It works on the sense of its individual culture, and focuses on making and maintaining by aiming to quality instead of quantity. Is usually transparent, building trust in the market, also because it cares about the impacts it has on the society and the environment. The prices incorporates ecological and social costs. Undeniably, the rise of fast fashion has caused clothes to become outdated faster. The whole cycle of life of the product becomes shorter and shorter, leaving people and the industry with limited time to control and manage the disposal of fashion waste. The environmental footprint of the fashion and textile sector has proven to be one of the most harmful, and therefore the constant need and development of eco-design rises. The consideration coming from the ecological fashion side includes, among others, instead of mass production, to provide customized items, having conscious mindset and activities, produce products with long-lasting value, work cost efficiently with a socio-economic and environmental responsibility sense.